Welcome to Standard 5, Term 3, Unit 1, Prose, The Five Detectives. The Five Detectives. In the lesson, the five children how to use their intelligence to solve the mystery. The whole unit theme was always learn. Let's see how the children solve the mystery in the unit. Children should learn to get into the habit of continuous learning in their early life. This lesson focuses on the importance of intelligence. Yes, we are going to learn the five children. They used their intelligence to solve the mystery. Solve a mystery. Before that, see the glossary. Admirable, praiseworthy, mystery, kept secret, pestering, irritating, overhead, to her without the speaker's knowledge. Solve, to find the answer. Sniffed, to smell by short inhalations. Furious, intensely angry. Before that, let's see the My Little Pictionary. My Little Pictionary provides the exposure to dictionary in an attractive way. Statue, a human-made figure of a person or animal that is life-size or larger. Chit, a short one note on a piece of paper. Disguise, to make a person look different to hide their identity. Magician, a person who performs magic tricks. Waxwork, a life-size dummy made of wax. Let's enter into the lesson 5 Detectives. It was a sunny afternoon after a long time in Ooty. Ooty is a hill station. There was a sunny afternoon. Arul and Amuda were sitting on their balcony. The last 3 vacations were very exciting for them as they were involved in solving 3 mysterious cases in their city. They missed their friends. Who are their friends? Srijit, Jessie and Fatima. They called themselves the 5 detectives or 5D. They were famous in Ooty for their courage and skill. Yes, they were famous for their courage and skill in the Ooty. The police appreciated 5D for their admirable acts. Admirable means praiseworthy. Amuda and Arul missed Pablo. Pablo was a dog. Whose dog? Srijit's dog. He played an important role in solving the mystery. Yes, if you solve any mystery, the Pablo was a main important role in solving the mysteries. After a week, Srijit, Jessie, Fatima and Pablo came to Amuda and Arul's house. Yes, they were missing their friends, but after a week, they came to the home of Amuda and Arul's home. Pablo was jumping with joy and continuously wagging his tail. Amuda, I'm so happy to see you all. Arul, now we can all head to solve a mystery. It will make our vacation interesting. Suddenly Srijit asked, Mystery? Did something happen in the town while I was gone? Arul, no Sri, nothing at all. Amuda argued that they all go to the town's fair. So Amuda said they all want to go to the town's fair, that is exhibition. She told them about different games, magicians and most importantly the waxworks. A studio with many wax figures inside. Waxwork means a life-size dummy made of wax. After a lot of pestering, everyone agreed to go. On their way back, they saw Inspector Velayudam on his bike. He was the area inspector of the area. Inspector Velayudam has been very busy these days, said Amuda. This made the group curious about what happening in their city that they had no clue of. So, Monday morning, Jessie overheard her father talking on the phone about a robbery that was expected to take place in the museum. Jessie rushed to see her friends in the morning and told them what she heard. Srijit, oh, now I know what Inspector Velayudam is up to. Let us solve this case before he does. Srijit said, I feel we will find more clues if we are near the city area. So, they got one mystery to solve in this vacation. We will also be able to observe more things. I will distinguish myself as that old man we saw on the street. Everyone agreed to it. Srijit dressed as the old man. Srijit sat on the old man's bench, coughed and sniffed like him. Okay, Srijit distinguished as a old man and sat on the old man's bench. So the old man always coughed and sneezed. So as like that, Srijit acted. No one could recognize Srijit. Soon a man on a cycle came and sat next to the old man. He said, where have you been since yesterday? Take this. One man came there and he said to Srijit. He thought he was an old man, but he was a Srijit. Where have you been since yesterday? So take this. The man gave something to Srijit. So, see, Srijit is sitting distinguished as a old man. See, the dog Pablo is there. One old man came there and handed over something to Srijit. The man handed over Srijit a packet of chocolate and went away. Srijit took the chocolate and kept it in his pocket. He saw the real old man coming in his direction from the other side. He also saw Inspector Velayudam rushing out of the shop towards him. Fatima and Jessie were watching all this from afar. They got worried and rushed with Pablo towards the inspector. Pablo started barking and jumping on the inspector. The inspector was annoyed with the dog. Srijit saw it as a chance to run from there. He hid in a bush nearby. Inspector Velayudam ran towards the old man and caught him. Then he asked him to give the chocolate to him. The old man was puzzled. Inspector took the old man to the police station and locked him.